Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a little get ready with me kind of thing. I want to do a Christmas makeup look because Christmas is literally right around the corner this week. This is going up a few days before Christmas, so just in time for you guys to get some ideas if you do like this kind of thing. So we're gonna be doing makeup today. I am excited because I haven't done this in a hot minute, so we're doing our makeup today. Before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love these kinds of makeup videos, makeup reviews, self-tanner reviews and try-ons, then definitely subscribe to my channel. But if you want to see my Christmas makeup look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, we are going to have some fun today. I have some makeup spread out here, so we're gonna be doing a makeup look. So for today, I was thinking I definitely want to do a red lip because I feel like a red lip is just like essential for a Christmas look. Obviously you don't have to do it, but red lips just always in the back of my head remind me of Christmas. Red lips and red nails, like always do. So definitely have to do a red lip. And then I'm thinking of a little bit more of a subtle eye, but sparkly. So this is going to be a fun one for sure. I don't want to talk too much beforehand, so we're just gonna get started on applying. I'm just gonna pull my hair back so I don't ruin it. But we're gonna start with primer, of course. So the first one that I'm using is from TATCHA. It's the Liquid Silk Canvas. You guys already know that this is like my favorite pore filling primer. It literally is magic for your face. So have to use that, and I'm just putting it wherever I have pores, which is pretty much my T-zone. And then the next primer we're gonna use all over the face, and this is the NARS Radiance Primer. It's been a while since I've used this one, and I just started using it again recently, and it reminded me of how much I love it. So I wanted to do this. Plus, we're not doing like a super radiant foundation. So this is just gonna add a little more glow to the face. So doing that all over. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I don't know why this one always reminds me of the winter, and I just love using this one in the winter. So that is what today's foundation is, just applying this all over my face. And I have the shade Warm Beige. And if you are smarter than me, don't apply foundation while you're wearing a white shirt because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna stain it, but it's for the video. Anyways, that just gave me a very nice like mix between a natural finish foundation and that glow from underneath with the primer. Absolutely stunning. And now I'm gonna just conceal areas that I want a little bit brighter. And I'm of course using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer, just using up the last of this broken one, and then I have like a backup new one I'm gonna be using. And now I'm just taking my Chanel Cream Bronzer and I'm just bronzing up places that I want bronzed. So next, basically all the powder products that I'm using on my face are gonna be from the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Universe palette because I love every product in here. So I am gonna be setting my face with number 1 right here, this big one. it just gives your face the most beautiful, it's not matte, it's like a glowy matte, if that makes sense. It's just so, so pretty on your face. So I'm setting my entire face with that, and then we will talk about the rest. So of course, now that my face is set, I'm moving on to bronzer, and I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's number 3. Such a beautiful bronzer. So I'm dipping into there and just applying everywhere that I put that cream bronzer. And for blush, since I want the focus to be on my lips mainly, I'm going for this more subtle blush down here. This one is shade 4? Yes, shade 4, and I'm just applying up above where I put that bronzer. And since the blush is on, we're finishing the face with highlighter, and I'm using this one down here. Like I said, I'm using everything from this palette, and this is shade 5, so we're just doing that on the high points of our cheeks, tip of the nose, and right above the lips. And I'm just setting that really quick with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Literally the best setting spray you will ever try. So yeah, just spraying my face really quick. So now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking my Patrick Ta For Eyes Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. So I am going to start off by using this shade down here, the second one, for my crease. I already set my eyelids with that Hourglass powder, by the way, just as an overall set for the eyes. And I'm just taking this and I'm working it into my crease. Now I'm just taking a little tiny bit of this one right next to it, and I'm working that lower into my crease, closer to my eyelid. Just a little bit though. Perfect. Now I'm taking this lightest shade down here with a new brush, and I'm just doing that in my not my lash line, my brow bone. And now I'm taking this lightest shade up here, this sparkly one, and I'm using my finger to just put that on my lid. And that's all I'm doing for eyeshadow. Super, super simple. I'm gonna do my lashes and my liner off camera really quick because it's just a tedious process. So I'm gonna do it off camera. But basically, to line my lashes, I'm using the Feline Flick from Charlotte Tilbury. And then I'm going over that just a little bit with the Glamnetic Deep Space Magnetic Liner. And for lashes, I'm using the Glamnetic VIXEN lashes. So I'm gonna put those on really quick and I will be right back. So my eyes are all done. I forgot to mention that for mascara, I use the Benefit Roller Lash, my absolute favorite, of course. And then for my brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in dark brown. I'm actually loving this. I know I said I was gonna give you guys an update on how I'm liking this versus the Benefit one, and I honestly forgot how good this stuff was, so I am just obsessed right now. I love it. My eyebrows always look good, so love. Anyways, now we are down to the last step, I believe, unless I'm forgetting something, and that is the red lip. So we are gonna be using the NARS Dragon Girl Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and I am pretty much going to line my lip and just fill in my entire lip with this, and then we're gonna go in with another product. So let's do this first. And now I'm taking the NARS Air Matte Lip Color in Total Domination, and I am just, again, filling my lips in with this. And then lastly, we're just gonna spray my face one last time to set everything in, and that's it. So let's spray. Voila, that is the finished look. So as you can see, that was fairly easy to do. I feel like this took hardly any time, honestly, because the face that I did was really easy. The eye look that I did was so easy and foolproof, and the lip, so easy yet so dramatic. So I feel like this whole look just goes so nicely together, and everything is so just well put together. You know, like I love how like super light champagne-y eyeshadows go with red lipsticks. That just reminds me of the holidays so much. So I feel like if you do like a really light sparkly shadow and a red lip, you can't go wrong, honestly. So I tried to make this as easy as possible. There weren't too many steps, honestly, either. I feel like the face is what took the longest to do. The eyeshadow was like 3-4 steps max, and yeah, it turned out really good. This lip combo I'm obsessed with right now because the Dragon Girl lip liner has like a tiny bit of like a pink tint to it, like a pink undertone, but it's still red. And then this one has more of like a true red, like a little bit deeper. So like the combo, like the outcome that you get when you combine them together is just the perfect like bright cherry red, and I'm obsessed. I can't get enough of it. And I love the fact that this isn't like a matte liquid lipstick. It's like a matte, but it's not a full-on liquid lip. Like it's not drying at all. It feels so good on your lips, and it looks so hydrating. I just love it so much. This was a really fun video for me. I love doing my makeup with you guys, and I love holidays. So these are like the most fun for me to do. I hope you guys thought so too. I hope you enjoyed the whole look, everything. So please comment, let me know your thoughts on how this turned out on me. Happy holidays to all of you. I love you guys so much. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you. Thank you for sticking with me, and I am super ready for a great 2022. But yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video.